Hey, there's people
like I'm
here.
playing steel guitar.
Just in time for...
Just in time. Hell, dude.
Dalton, what's up?
Oh my god.
How's it going? Do a talking intro real quick.
Alright.
Oh god, I hate doing this. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the shed. Today's a fun one. We got a band in the studio to record, Ascendinmisery. And they're a metal band. We got all of the amps set up, the drums. We're gonna record them live in the room, which is always a fun time. So stick around, hopefully you get something out of this video. We're gonna try to document the process. We're gonna try to get some direct audio and just have some fun. So stick around and we'll make some noise.
Do you want to talk about your rig?
Sure.
Cool.
Hi, I'm Matt. I am one of the guitarists for Ascendinmisery. A little bit about my whole rig here. I ended up convincing Logan so that we could both get EVH 5150s. I have the gold face with EL34s. I think he got the white one with the 6L6s. I also like to double up with the orange micro dark. It's just got a lot of like punchy, crunchy, middle action, a lot of high. There's not a bunch of low, so if we kind of blend the two, we get the full range of everything. And then standard Mesa vintage recto cab 4x12. Nothing fancy about those. So yeah, I'm hoping to dial up the rippin' metalcore tones. You're gonna hear some classic metalcore, the stuff we're all used to from the early 2000s.
Sick. Alright Logan, what do you got going on with your rig?
Alright, so we got not an outrageous set of pedals here like Matt over there, but start with Jerry Cantrell's signature wah pedal, and it's one of the screechiest wah pedals I've probably ever heard. I can adjust the frequency and threshold. This rat pedal I pretty much use just to boost my overdrive tone just a little bit. 5150 6L6, beautiful amp. Matt was the one who convinced me to bite the bullet and spend some money on it. And then of course I got the Mesa cabinet, which absolutely rips. So between me and Matt both, they sound absolutely phenomenal together.
Oh god.
It was weird at first.
You get it. Still weird.
I'll back you up.
What's up? Alex Bronson here. Basis. Where do you want me to start?
Right here, right now. Let's see what you got.
Well, I don't got any of my guitars in here, but...
Oh, it's okay. We're just going over the rig. Real quick. Give me 2 minutes tops.
Alright, cool. So, I mean, we got pedal board here, actual board. Start at the whammy.
That's a long board.
Yeah, it's a very long one. We start at the whammy. We're going into a Zoom B3N, which I just do, like, you know, mostly modulation stuff. And then into that, we go to the Dark Glass Alpha Omega. I only really use that when we're playing some low stuff. That goes into this bass compressor here, and really that's just to help clean it up a little because it's pretty loud to that point. Then we go into the Justin Chancellor signature wah. Use that for the fuzz as well. Goes into this splitter, this line selector. I mean, we have a channel that goes straight to one of the amps, and we have another one that comes into the rat and the bass equalizer. A lot of people that
Why does your rat have white knobs?
Ah, yeah, good call. So this is a Kinnantone modded rat. It's got some different like older what's the name, chips, stuff like that in it. Makes them sound better, like the original rats back in the day. So yeah, so then after that, in this EQ that just kind of, you know, does stuff. They both come back to these dual Galleon Kriegers here. Got a 1001 and a 700. Yeah, just the settings are the settings. I don't know, they change, they move. But then yeah, after that, the dirty channel, which is just slate grit, goes over these 212 Fender Neos, and then I don't have it in here, but it's a 4x10 Fender Neo as well. So that's about it.
Sweet.
Bass.
Make it low and filthy.
I try.
What's up, guys? I'm Cam. I'm the drummer. I'll talk a little bit about my rig here. So I got a Thomas Star Classic Birch Babinga in the Black Clouds finish. It's pretty sweet.
It's beautiful.
Especially that was Jared Boyd's old kit, so pretty badass.
Jared Boyd, the drummer for...
Oh, that's right. He's the drummer for Miss May I, for those who didn't know. So Go give him a shout out or something. But I got all Zildjian cymbals on this. DW5000 double pedal. SLP Babinga snare. All A customs for the cymbals, by the way. So yeah.
Fancy.
Wicked China, dude.
What's that?
What about the new Wicked China?
Oh yeah, I just got this 19-inch A custom Ultra Hammer China. Thing's a ripper. It's probably the loudest cymbal I've ever owned.
Too much. There it is.
There we go.
Sick.
Are you done yet?
I'm gonna need a damn beer. Actually, somebody made a video and was like, here's the difference between a 7B and a 58.
They're like the same, aren't they?
Right. They were so damn close. That's like, why spend the extra $200? Insane amount of like metalcore and deathcore vocalists that use those for like home recordings, and, like cover tracks.
Down here, let's show what we got going on here. So we have a 91 gonna go on the inside here. We're keeping it simple. We're not using any fancy mics today. 91's good, and then we're gonna put a 52 for the kick out. Pretty classic. Sometimes I like ribbon for the kick out, which is gonna be used on one of the guitar cabs, so it's already being used.
Would you be okay with this?
Huh?
It's a little long.
That could work.
It could work though.
It could work.
What do you got going on here?
57 on the top here, because this is kind of a mid-range.
Oh yeah,
Mid-rangey sound here.
Yeah,
This is kind of like this low-endy, thick sound. So I'm gonna put the ribbon on this to kind of accentuate the two different sounds with kind of their respective microphones.
Oh,
Sweet.
57 will be a little brighter, a little more angry, and the ribbon will be thicker for the thicker one.
Okay.
Maybe run that kick mic through a compressor to help tame that 100 hertz-ish thing. It's just weird. I don't like what it's doing. Can you just hit the kick like 3 times for me? Okay, now everyone be silent. Okay, 3 more times. Oh, I don't like that.
What are you doing, Evan?
So we're really trying to get these toms and these drums overall to sound better, because they sound like cardboard today. But I don't know.
Yeah, they don't sound the goodest.
They don't sound the goodest today.
They
but
could sound
could be
gooder,
the humidity, could be the.
Well, like I
the
said, they
head's
haven't
worn
actually
out.
been tuned in a while because I haven't played them like full
Yeah.
blast since.
The biggest lesson here is that drum tuning is almost more important probably than the mics and the preamps and the EQs that you use. The tuning matters way more than any of that stuff before that stuff matters.
You could tune a drum kit? Huh? Explain.
All right, let's try this again. Pretty good, that's pretty good. Let me set up one more mic in the room here. And we're just gonna do a crush mic. A room crush. We're gonna crush the room.
The room.
A 58.
Do you got one of those USB mics?
Oh, those are really hot. Yeah, we could use that.
Yeah, fucking snowball.
This one's
Take
kind of
one
cool.
From Audio Technica.
It's a Shure 12A with a switch. I don't know how old it is or where it came from, but it's a very interesting microphone.
We should use something weird that people don't use.
Like this one.
Yeah.
All right, Cam. Just hit the snare drum over and over again until we want to die.
Okay.
So we ended up switching out the kick drum for this EW 22-inch. This one was just sounding weird, so we switched it out. We like it a lot better. Y'all, we're rolling, so whenever you want to start.
Oh, cool.
Everybody can hear everything,
You guys
I
want me
hope.
back up tomorrow, 7 a.m.?
Yeah. See you later. Bye.
Tear your shit down.
Yeah. Don't forget to change all your lights.
Yeah, so that's sick, right? I mean, these guys are all playing in the same room together. We have the amps and the cabs and the drums and the bass and everything all in the same room. We don't have anything isolated. Everything is just, you know, right next to each other, literally right here, and they're all playing together, which is awesome. No click track either. They're just jamming like they do at band practice because that's what they're used to, and it just, I really like recording bands this way. It gives the best vibe. Everybody just locks into each other. Everybody gets to play throughout the day. You're not sitting there waiting for the drummer to record, you know, 30 takes of the same song, and you're just like, why did I even bring my guitar today? You know, it just makes for a better session. It is more difficult for sure to get everything to sound good together, but at the same time it almost makes it easier because I can actually hear everything in my in-ears. You know, I don't have a control room, so it's just, you know, in-ear monitors, but I can hear everything together at the same time, and I can make sure it works together before we even record it. I can listen to everybody in the room isolated in my ears and get all the tones to fit together, to work together. You know, I can tell if, hey, the kick drum is not kicking hard enough for this. It's not, you know, it's not punching through, or maybe the one guitar is totally whack compared to the other one. It just makes it easy to match everybody together as a group, as a whole, when they're all in the room. It's definitely a benefit. So it is more difficult because of isolation, but it's also a little easier for other reasons as well. So that's it. That's all she wrote. The room's like empty now, see? It's all gone.
It's all nothing.
It's all gone. Oh.
Wicked how fast that happens.
Yeah. 2 days, all gone. Yeah. That wraps up 2 days of recording metal. We had a great time, and we recorded everybody at the same time, which was super fun. It's definitely my favorite style of recording. It definitely comes with its challenges, but I think we got a lot of good stuff. Hopefully you guys got something out of the video. Hopefully it was fun to watch. We didn't get a whole ton of, you know, B-roll with mic placement and real technical stuff, but I don't think that was this kind of video. I think this was just kind of like a little bit of a vlog thing and just showing kind of how it happens and recording when we can. So again, hope you got something out of it. We had a blast. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite piece of gear you saw in the studio was this weekend. And also like and subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.